Good morning. The source of law. Sovereignty is the source of law. Constitution is source of law. Then international covenants, agreements are source of law. Law of contract is a basic, fundamental source of law. Apart from that, customs and usage is another source of law, which permanently followed without dispute. So that concept should be understood. This today I am going to discuss about custom and usage. Do not run away. The subject is boring because the judgment in which I am going to discuss with you deals with not only customs and also the practice of Jain and how to execute the adoption deed. Normally, the advocates are approached to create document for adoptions. Adoptions, one who do not have daughter can adopt daughter, one who do not have son can adopt son. And there are certain provisions in the Adoption Maintenance Act. This customs and usage law is applicable to all person laws. All person laws. Actually, what happens in Tamil Nadu under Muslim law, though there are the Sunni law of inheritance governs, but in Tamil Nadu, the people live and resides in Tamil Nadu follows same law of succession, giving equal right to the woman. That is usage, not custom. So I would like to discuss this judgment so that young students, law students could understand what is customs and usage, and practicing lawyer may understand how to execute adoption deed. This is the case wherein AR 2017 Supreme Court 5797 Ratanlal alias Babulal Chunilal Samsuka versus Sundarabai Govardhan Das Samsuka. See section 2(3)(a) of Customs, Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act deals with customs. They say the valid customs, continuity, certainty, long usage and reasonability. This is this four words, four steps, four requirements is necessary on which the act are incorporated. Then they say 10(3)(3)(a). The case was that Govardhan Das, a brother by name Chunilal Lakshmitan, who is none other than the father of the first appellant. Right from his child, appellant used to reside with the paternal uncle Govardhan Das. So there, after that, there was a partition suit. And the partition suit, they said that this Govardhan Das was adopted son of so and so. But unfortunately, Govardhan Das adopted son did not change the name of his putative father. He retains the natural father, biological father. Then the plaintiff since failed to prove that the appellant herein is not adopted son of the late Govardhan, partition suit was allowed and the declaration was denied that the respondent is son of Govardhan Das, adopted son of Govardhan Das. They say photograph taken at the time of adoption ceremony are self-explanatory. It is to be noted that in one particular photograph, appellant is seen with garland, absence of Asha and Haran. in the photo clearly proves the adoption had taken place 1 day prior to marriage of Asha. So they say the High Court also accepted that for non-production of negatives of alleged photographs taken during the adoption ceremony, the photograph do not portray any ceremony being performed by the priest involving appellant and his adoptive father. The alleged adoption took place 1 day before marriage of Asha. These all are the so many things they have stated. They say what all are the necessary be adopted. No person shall be capable of being adopted unless the following that he has not been married, unless there is a custom or usage applicable to the party which permits persons who are married being taken adopted. Then 15 years also the prohibition should not be completed 15 years. And then again customs and usage. That is what they say. Then the Supreme Court has stated about our Indian society. They say diverse community living from the southern tip to northern mountain, from western plains to eastern hills. This was, they say, they have referred so many judgments. Then finally, they have discussed about what is custom. Custom, to be binding, must drive its force from the fact that by long usage it has obtained force of law. But English rule that custom, in order that it may be legal and binding, must have been used so long that the memory of man runneth to the contrary. Then they say usage has been acted upon in practice for such long period and with such invariability so as to that it has by common consent been submitted to as established governing rule of particular locality. So that is major things. The Privy Council judgment, Black Law Dictionary were discussed. Then they say the general law is an act. You have to get away with that act. You have a riding provision for usage and custom, and that should be proved. So then again say finally they say the witness who deposed the priest about the adoption ceremony, unable to tell who decided to perform adoption by giving hand of the appellant. He admits that in Jain ceremony, person to be adopted has to be seated on the lap of adopting father. See, this should also be kept in your mind, that in Jain there are two usage. Number one, that the son who is being adopted should sit on the lap of the father. Other one was they have customs of adopting married son also. Then this is what they say. Finally they say all the circumstances pleaded by the appellant are not properly explained by adducing cogent evidence to the satisfaction of the court. The trial court placed the burden on the plaintiff to prove the adoption which is contrary to law. The appellant failed to satisfy that any question of law, much less subsequent arise in this. So they have dismissed it. You therefore Section 10 of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act prescribes certain limits, and you have to get over with that. Normally what happens? Adoption deed is also being executed. Whenever somebody approaches you have to state clearly in the adoption deed that on particular day by fixing a muhurtam time, that in presence of kins and relatives, the ceremony as being followed usage in the set community, we are having this sort of practice. Performed the rites and other required ceremonies while adopting this son. These things should be stated in the adoption deed, and you can register it also. These all are the things we should be taken into consideration. Best wishes.